Use the focal gauge to adjust the focal length of the laser module. Click on Projects, then SD card. Select the image to be engraved. Choose appropriate engraving parameters according to your engraving needs. Adjust the size of the picture. Drag the picture to the engraving area. Click the frame button to view the engraving area. Click to start engraving.